Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 3 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're doing Christmas ephemera. But if you want to participate and you don't celebrate Christmas, you don't have to stick with Christmas. She said you can do whatever you want. The prompts are kind of loose so that you can take it to mean different things. And so the prompts for this week is striped, and it's also snowflake. So, like if you did striped, it doesn't have to be anything Christmassy. She said it could be a zebra. If you want to do a snowflake, it could just be a winter card. So I hope you'll participate, and I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. These are some papers that I designed using Procreate. I've just been playing around and I just thought they were a lot of fun, and I'm going to use those in my stripes. I have these little bags that I'm going to decorate and make pockets out of. And I'm just going to lay down my striped paper on the top. Now, I highly encourage you to go visit Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. She is so talented, and I love watching the things that she comes up with. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to decorate my little pockets, and I'm going to make tags to go in those pockets. I didn't realize that I had ended up using snowmen on both until at the end, but it doesn't matter. I like them both. I know a lot of people think it's too soon for Christmas, and Christmas, yes, but getting ready for it, I don't think it's too soon. And I think it's a lot of fun to do the Christmas in July and things like that. But us crafters know that you have to start early to be able to get stuff done, because by the time Christmas gets here, we're generally starting on something new. We have to stay ahead of everything. So this helps us to get our ephemera and such ready for journals and things that we may want to sell. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Growing up, my mom and I used to have so much fun getting ready for Christmas. And it was just our time. We loved decorating. We were always making things. She crocheted things. I crocheted. We just went all out. And I miss that. She loved to decorate. I love to decorate. And now Christmas just isn't the same without her. And although my husband is not against Christmas, he doesn't get into it the way we did. He could care less about all of the decorating and stuff. And I don't like to do it by myself. So, it's just, I miss the way things used to be when Mom was alive. This just kind of helps me get in that feel for decorating that I enjoyed so much as a kid and growing up. And I also spend a lot of time thinking about my mama. And here I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put everything, how I'm going to decorate my pockets, and just having fun with the whole process. And I'm using my art glitter glue. I love this glue. It holds so well and it dries quickly. You have to work fast, and it's pretty much stuck down once you get it somewhere, but that's not always a bad thing. And I just ink and play and just have fun with this.
Now this is another one of my favorite tools, and this is a Stabilo All pencil. And I'm just going around it just to make the candy cane kind of pop from that striped background. And you can add water and give it more of a smear appearance. I didn't on this. I just kind of wanted an outline. And I outlined that little bit of holly too. And there on the left are some old, I don't know if you call them, they're stamps. I don't know if they're like an Easter seal. I'm not sure exactly what they are. But they were freebies. And I got them, I think a friend gave them to me. I'm not 100% sure. I've got so much stuff and it comes from so many places. But I think they were so cute. And I ended up getting my candy cane and my holly a little bit too high. So these were just perfect things just to kind of add at the bottom. And I just kind of kept this simple, and I really love how it turned out. But I felt like my tag and my pocket didn't really match so much. So I took some washi tape, and I'm just kind of trying to bring elements of both sides to the one to the other, the pocket to the tag, just to kind of make it more cohesive. I mean, there's a candy cane on both, but the candy cane doesn't look the same. So I'm just trying to bring in a few elements, and there's a little bit of blue on those stamps at the bottom, which kind of ties in with the blue on the top. And I'm just adding here a piece of ribbon at the top of my tag, and I just felt like the green was the perfect choice. And here these are my little pocket and tag, and I love how they turned out. I think they're so cute. Now I'm going to fix my next pocket and tag, and I use this little snowman. I think he's adorable. Like I said before, I didn't realize I was using two snowmen. I didn't even think about it. So I just go ahead and I ink up everything like I usually do, and I just look for things to go with the snowman. I find some more stickers that I have. These are like a dimensional sticker, and they're real cute. They're thick, but they've got that little gold in the snowflake. And those and my snowman I know came from a friend of mine. She got rid of a lot of her scrapbooking stuff and gave that to me. Now the stickers that are underneath the snowman on the bottom, that's something that came from Tuesday morning before they went out of business. I've gotten it, probably about a year or two ago. And it was just a whole kit that had different things. And this was just the stickers that was in that kit. So I used some of the items there. And once again, there wasn't a lot of like the light blue of the snowman. And I finally realized that the stuff didn't match again. I mean, why make just one mistake? Let's make two. But anyway, I do the same thing with this tag and pocket that I did with the other one. And I start bringing elements that will go from both. I add in some blue snowflakes on the tag and washi tape that's kind of a plaid to the pocket. And just the little gold beads I add to both as well. And I just have fun decorating it. And even though they may not be exactly coordinated, I think they're still cute together. By this point, my fingers are so sticky, I'm really struggling with getting my little beads. And I do have one of those little sticky glue pen things for the diamond painting, and I don't know why I didn't get that out. I've got it right here. I actually know where it's at. Wouldn't have to search very hard for it, but I just don't think about it. But I decided to use the red ribbon on this tag, and I really love how this turned out as well. Here's where I start bringing in a little bit of the plaid washi tape just to kind of bring in some of the element of the tag to the pocket. And I'll add some of those gold beads as well. And I did find some light blue snowflakes to add to my tag as well. And on the little dimensional here where I'm getting that, it's a little Christmas ball, and I add that. And it just kind of makes everything kind of go together just a little bit better. Well, now here's my last pocket and tag for Snowflake, and I love how they all turned out. If they really bother me and I feel like they don't go together, I'm sure they'll go with something else. But I kind of like them, so we'll just see how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel. You won't be disappointed. And check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. I love you. Merry Christmas in July. And until next time, bye, y'all.